Good morning to our respected Principal Ma'am Dr. Amarjit Kaur Nas, to our respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Avneet Kaur and I am a student of Plus 2 Medical in Blossoms Convent School. Hope you all are fine. Today I am here to represent a chemistry topic, that is D block. So let's get started. Now first of all we will see where the D block exists. On the extremely right side there is a S block, and on the extremely left side there is a P block, and in between is D block, and at the bottom is F block. D block elements are also known as transition elements. This is because they do not have fully filled configuration. So first of all we are going to learn about the first transition series of D block elements. The elements are scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. Now we are going to learn that how we can remember the first transition series of D block element. So the trick is Sakti Vakraman Fico Nico Jan. This is a Sanskrit line, so let's start. Sak means scandium, T means titanium, V means vanadium, K means chromium, Man means manganese, Phi means iron, Co means cobalt, Ni means nickel, Co means copper, Jan means zinc. So now we are going to learn about the atomic number and electronic configuration of each element of the first transition series of D block. So let's get started. So the first element is scandium. Its atomic number is 21 and electronic configuration is argon 3d1 4s2. The second element is titanium. Its atomic number is 22 and electronic configuration is argon 3d2 4s2. The third element is vanadium. Its atomic number is 23 and electronic configuration is argon 3d3 4s2. Now the fourth element is chromium. Its atomic number is 24 and electronic configuration is argon 3d5 and 4s1. The fifth element is manganese. Its atomic number is 25 and electronic configuration is argon 3d5 4s2. So the sixth element is iron. Its atomic number is 26 and electronic configuration is argon 3d6 4s2. The seventh element is cobalt. Its atomic number is 27 and electronic configuration is argon 3d7 4s2. The eighth element is nickel. Its atomic number is 28 and electronic configuration is argon 3d8 4s2. The ninth element is copper. Its atomic number is 29, electronic configuration is argon 3d10 4s1. So the 10th element is zinc. Its atomic number is 30 and electronic configuration is argon 3d10 4s2. In the first transition series of D block element, the exceptional case for electronic configuration is of chromium and copper. They are known as anomalous and have the extra stability than the other elements. So now we are going to start the second transition series of the D block element. So let's get started. The first element is yttrium and second element is zirconium. The third element is niobium and fourth element is molybdenum. The fifth element is technetium and sixth element is ruthenium. The seventh element is rhodium and eighth element is palladium. The ninth element is silver and 10th element is cadmium. To remember the second transition series of D block element, the trick is Y journal Mu Takriyo Re Pad AGCD. Now we are going to learn the atomic number and electronic configuration of each element of second transition series of D block element. The first element is yttrium. Its atomic number is 39 and electronic configuration is krypton 4d1 5s2. The second element is zirconium. Its atomic number is 40 and its electronic configuration is krypton 4d2 5s2. The third element is niobium. Its atomic number is 41 and its electronic configuration is krypton 4d4 5s1. The fourth element is molybdenum. Its atomic number is 42 and electronic configuration is krypton 4d5 5s1. The fifth element is technetium. Its atomic number is 43 and electronic configuration is krypton 4d6 5s1. The sixth element is ruthenium. Its atomic number is 44 and its electronic configuration is 4d7 5s1. The seventh element is rhodium. Its atomic number is 45 and its electronic configuration is krypton 4d8 5s1. The eighth element is palladium. Its atomic number is 46 and its electronic configuration is krypton 4d10 5s0. The ninth element is silver. Its atomic number is 47 and its electronic configuration is krypton 4d10 5s1. The tenth element is cadmium. Its atomic number is 48 and its electronic configuration is krypton 4d10 5s1. Now we are going to talk about the effect of technetium. Technetium is one of the metal which is synthesized by man. Technetium is an artificial metal. Technetium itself means artificial. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you all have understood the topics.